Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in the right place. You must be connected and unlocked. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, and tap the name of the network you're on. Once you tap the connected network, look for Share or a QR code button. Android uses that to reveal credentials. You'll be prompted to authenticate, enter your PIN, pattern, or use your fingerprint. This proves you own the device, which is why Android requires it before showing sensitive info. Once you tap Share, Android creates a QR and usually displays the network password below it or encodes it in the QR string. Authenticate when prompted. Once done, you'll see the QR and often the plain text password. If the text is visible, copy it carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive. If not visible, use another phone's camera or a QR scanner to read the QR, which will show the password in plain text. This method works because Android stores and exports the saved network securely. Now paste or type the password into the other device and connect. Make sure you include exact capitalization and any special characters. Once connected, test internet access. If you don't see Share or QR, confirm your phone runs Android 10 or newer and install system updates. Some OEM skins hide the option. If that still fails and you're comfortable with advanced tools, enabling developer options, and using ADB to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.